Hey, what's up everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're looking at probably one of the most boring but necessary smart home devices you can get. The Aqara Valve Controller T1. Doesn't that really sound exciting? It's not. A water leak can cause thousands of dollars of damage if you don't mitigate it right away. Now I've had water leak sensors for years, but those are only as good as being home if they detect a leak. Having both detection and an automatic shutoff valve is really the key. Let's get into it. First things first, what's in the box? You get the Aqara Valve Controller T1, a couple of mounting bracket options, some screws, a user manual, 4 AA batteries. It's a clean, simple package, which always is a good sign. Now, I never use the manufacturer batteries. Battery life is estimated at 1 to 2 years. I've had mine installed for a couple of months now, and it's still showing 100% battery level. So I believe that their battery claim is real. The Valve Controller T1 has a compact, minimalistic design that feels solid and well built. Aqara has definitely put some thought into this design. The best part is installing the T1 is surprisingly straightforward and best of all doesn't require a plumber. It's designed to fit onto most standard water valves and the adjustable clamp ensures a snug fit. If your water valve isn't a perfect match, the included mounting bracket gives you a little flexibility. And you basically just have to get the nut on your valve to line up with the nut on the switch of the controller. As long as those two are lined up, you should be good to go. Once installed, setting it up in the Aqara app is a breeze. The T1 connects to your smart home via Zigbee 3.0, so you'll need a compatible Aqara hub. Pairing takes just a few seconds, and then you're ready to go. In the app, you can open and close the valve manually, remotely. You can schedule operations. I don't know why you need to schedule it, but you could. And you can set it up automatically, which is the best part, to shut off the water supply if a leak is detected by one of the Aqara water sensors. So even if you're out of town, you can rest easier knowing that the water supply would be shut off in an emergency, or worst of all, you can manually do it if you needed to. Now, let's do a quick test. I'm going to basically take one of my Aqara water sensors, which are very low cost, by the way, and I'm going to drop it into this bowl of water. And like magic, it does what it's supposed to do. It detected the leak. It warned me on my phone with a very loud, "Hey, there's a water leak." And even if I didn't do anything, even if I didn't notice the notification, it shut the water off automatically. Now, I was pleased by the quick response time. And yes, the T1 works with major smart assistants like Amazon's platform, Google Assistant, and of course, Apple Home, which is my favorite. This is great because if you have other brands of water leak sensors in your smart home, for example, before getting the Aqara sensors, I had already added a couple of Ring water leak sensors into my Apple Home via HomeBridge, and I simply set up an automation in Apple Home to turn off the water if one of those sensors detects water leaks as well. So you don't have to throw away all your existing water sensors to get Aqara ones. As long as they're in your smart home platform, you should be able to set up an automation to use your existing ones as well. Now in Apple Home, it shows as an on-off switch. So that makes it easy to add to your automations. So let's break it down. The Aqara Valve Controller T1 is a fantastic solution for smart home fans who want to automate their water valves. So what are the pros and cons? The pros, it's easy to install. It integrates seamlessly with the Aqara's ecosystem, and it adds a significant layer of safety to your home. Even if you don't have a water emergency, it's also nice to just simply have a remote control to your water valve if you're doing any kind of plumbing work, especially if your shutoff valve is not in a convenient place. On the downside, you will need an Aqara hub for it to work, which does add an additional cost if you didn't already have one. Also, it's not compatible with every single valve type, so definitely double check compatibility before you buy it. At around 70 bucks, the Aqara Valve Controller T1 is a solid investment for the peace of mind aspect, and of course I'll put a link to it in the description. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my future smart home tech reviews. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions. And with that said, cheers everyone. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye everybody.